Alright, so in this video we're going to show you how you can search by brand, okay, and that is in the images as well. And for this section it's going to be in the categories, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now, you know, in the previous video we talked about the various categories that they do have, but if we come all the way towards the bottom, we're going to find the brands, and this is where you're going to find the Anna Griffith, you're going to find the Disney, and so on. So let me go ahead and let's search Disney, and you're going to notice that our search box is still here. Now you're going to notice that any one of these brands really are, they're not going to be part of Cricut Access. So applying that filter, you're not going to get anything, okay, because they're branded. Obviously they want to get their money, right? So anyways, you can see that they are priced higher than what you would expect for the image, which would be 99 cents is what you normally see for single images. But we can still search nonetheless. And if I go ahead and click on here, I'm going to go ahead and do a search for like Monster Inc. kind of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and type in it, and now we have some Monster Inc. Types of files. And just like we learned about in the introduction to searching, we can click on the eye and we can take a look at the cartridge that it actually comes from. So let's go ahead and click on it, and you can see every single thing that it has on that cartridge. And if you wanted everything, it's only $29.99 according to this, and you'd get all 100 images that that are associated with this. So great way for you to search based upon categories and finding those designer brands, and they're all located at the bottom of the of the categories. So that's where you can find that. Okay.